Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody downloaded a font from DA Fonts called Blackbird. And if we go to that, it's right here. They download it and they like this font because of this and this. But they can't get it to do it correctly. So let's go back to Corel and explain to me what they're doing. They've taken the text tool and highlighting everything. And here's this little bitty box. And there's only two choices. And you get that right there. Well, that's because they're doing the whole font. So what you want to do in this case, and you can do the P and the Y, but we need to go to Object and Control K, which is break the font apart. Then get your text tool and just highlight. I put a little bitty, there we go. I put a little bitty paragraph text because I clicked on it. And then just move this over and highlight that text. And there you get that little arrow or diamond shape. And you can pick just that letter. And it does just that letter. Now you can do the same thing on the P. And you get that right there. Now the problem with that is look what it did to it. But because they're broken apart, I would hold down my control button and just put it where you think it needs to be. That's a pretty cool font. I might start using that. I like it even without this other stuff. And then of course, if he's gonna do something with this, I would left click, right click, and you see it's not welded. Now, if you weld this from up here, it doesn't come up, but you can always go to Object, Shaping, and Weld, and then it welds it up, and this is all one piece. Well, it's two pieces. And then you can always black it in. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.